I've noticed a trend, so jump on the trend and cash out big time. Some smart guys have taken the advantage and they're making lots of it. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Victoria Dane, and today's video I'll be sharing 4 lucrative businesses that you can start today and make lots of money. Hi, if this is the first time you're coming across this channel, you are welcome. I'm Victoria Dane, and on this channel we'll talk about how to make money online and offline. So if this sounds like what you're interested in, please join this amazing family by hitting that subscribe button, watch this video to the end. Without further ado, let's go. Very profitable business you can go into is gas refill business. So the major gas plants speaking from my experience around my area, are a little bit far from residential areas. So I don't really have strength to carry my 12 kg gas, go down to that place, refill, look for mobility, come back for the stress and all of that. So a lot of persons are looking for a better alternative. So some smart guys made business out of that alternative. So what they do is they rent spaces close to the residential areas. They start selling gas, they start refilling gas. Now, one advantage about these guys filling gas is they are close to you, right? When you go, you will see a lot of traffic. Right, you don't see a lot of traffic. Once you go, you get your gas filled, then you come back home. And another extra advantage that they do is you can even call them on phone. Some use wheelbarrow, some use bicycle, some that they don't have, they carry it on their shoulder, and they're selling faster than the gas plant. So gas refill business is a very lucrative business that you can cash out from. It's at your environment. A lot of persons are no longer cooking with stove and firewood. Everybody is switching to gas. So that's another advantage. You're going to make lots of money if you decide to go into this gas refill business. A very profitable business you can go into is the sale of specific food products. Now, when our cassava is not due for harvest, when we don't have the gari at home, there's a particular guy I used to go out to buy gari in basin, right? What this guy does, he sells gari in bags, rice in bags, as of last year. But December last year, I was shocked to my bone marrow. This guy has expanded. For him to be able to expand, that means there's a lot of money. So you can think, which of these food item can I sell? One good thing about food business is people eat every day. So you cannot say, if I buy 50 bags of gari now, people will not buy it. People will buy it. Do you know the amount of people that are eating gari on a daily basis? When this guy is offloading his gari from the truck, go back the next day, you'll tell you that gari has finished. So there's a lot of money. So just look for any of the food supply you can sell. You can sell rice. Yours can be rice. Yours can be beans. Yours can be gari. Yours can be stock fish, oil. Look for the one you can do. Get a shop. Okay, equip yourself like a wholesaler. Let people that sell retail be able to come to you, buy from your shop and retail. You're going to make a lot. See, there's a lot of money. People are not telling you there are lots of money, right? Invest in this business and watch out your return. Another very profitable business you can go into is processing agricultural produce. Now, whether you like it or not, when it's harvest season, no matter how we eat tomato, no matter how we eat mango, there are food wastage. Now, at the end of the day, after the food season, the harvest season, tomato will now be very scarce and very expensive. So if you have what it takes to invest in value addition, you're going to make lots of money. And if you're going into value addition, you make like times 2 or 3 profits if you're trading just the agricultural produce. Do you understand? So you can make lots of money. All you have to do is just get the necessary equipment needed to process this agricultural produce, and you're going to make lots of money. Now, let me give you another segment of this business. Now, if you don't have the time, you say, okay, I don't have strength to dehydrate pepper and start selling. I don't have strength to dehydrate tomato. I don't have strength to go into gari processing. You don't even need that. But do you have the money? You can make a lot of money. Do you have a space? Get these machines needed to produce these things. Now, recently, I was scrolling on Facebook and a lady was advertising. She owns a dehydrator. She dehydrates agricultural produce and send out of the country, send within the country. Now, another Another good thing about it is, as an individual, for example, I want to dehydrate my tomato. Maybe I bought in basket. I want to dehydrate. I can go to her company. She will dehydrate it for me. I'll pay her and I'll carry my tomato and go home. So you can get these machines for the processing of these agricultural produce. Okay, set up your plants, set up your company, advertise, watch us come to you to give you money. Like I said in one of my previous video, we're into the production of gari, right? Now, most of our equipment producing the gari is still manual. So just think of it. If I have something where I can go, my cassava peeled, crushed, dried, filtered, fried, and packaged, why won't I go there? Excuse me. Why won't I pay that little token, then take the stress off my shoulder? What it takes to sit close to the fire and be frying gari. So if I have a company close by that have all these machines, all we have to do, we that want to go into processing, we can just come to your company, pay you a token, get our product fixed, they will go package and sell. So that's another lucrative business you can do and make lots of money. Just invest in these machines. You can, if you have a lot of money, you can start with locally fabricated machines. Then when you have money, a lot of money, then you can import from China and make lots of money. Another very profitable business you can go into is the production and sale of ice block, right? Ice block business will always sell because of our epileptic nature of our power supply. It will always sell. Just imagine the festive period that just passed, right? NEPA didn't give us lights. I think people that have cooked in bulk, NEPA did not give them light, and unfortunately, they don't have generator. Or maybe they have gen, but because of the cost of fuel, they cannot go and buy lots of fuel that will be able to power their refrigerator to get this food blocked. Now, think about it. What is their best alternative? Is to go and look for where they sell ice block, buy, put in their fridge, and store their food so that their food will not go bad. So, ice production is another very lucrative business you can go into. People that sells drinks close by, that don't have fridge, people that hawk all this mineral water on the road, they need ice block. A lot of persons need ice block for their day-to-day business. So once you start your ice block production, you're going to make lots of money. Just make sure that you get the machine, okay, that produces this block in large quantity. Always be available. Situate your shop in a very busy environment and you're going to make lots of money. If you've gotten value from this video, please hit that like button, subscribe if you've not joined this amazing family, share to your family and friends. Really, you don't really know who this video can be of help to. Comment in the comment section which of this business you feel you want to go into, or which of this business you feel I should do a separate video and go in depth into. I am going to do that video for you. Just drop it in the comment section. Video topic you think I should do a video on, please drop it in the comment section below. I'm going to do that video. You know I love you so much. Thank you all so much for always coming by. I love you, and I'm going to see you all in my next video.